All right, so today I have my old Vion sunshades that I have enjoyed and liked. I think they're easy to use. And EVBase sent me their own. So this is the Vion shade. These are the EVBase shades. It's a very slightly different material, so these aren't just from the same factory. The EVBase one is a single piece for the whole front rather than having the line down the middle, which I don't know. I guess it may make it easier. I think the material's a little more shiny on the EVBase one, so perhaps a little more reflective. This is the third row shade for the R1S as well, also from EVBase. So for the EVBase one, which is this one, the slightly shinier one, it does not have clips, which does make it easier to install a little bit faster. It sits just above this sort of soft fabric headliner, right against the glass. So theoretically, it will block out more light, right? Because there won't be an edge. I'm kind of intrigued by that design. That's not what I expected. Okay, so you put it up there and then use this to just sort of tuck it in along the edge of the headliner. I prefer that design. I think if you took it down a lot, it may end up wearing the edges of the headliner or something. But I think theoretically that should keep out more heat because it's almost sort of sealed around the edges. Very cool. I'm gonna give this one a shot. Let's install this one. See if I can do it more easily on this side without the car seat in the way. There we go. All right. Now I'm sitting in the third row. I'm gonna start at the front, sort of push it in there. There we go. Huh, I like it. Wow, look at that. Huh, that looks kind of stock. I've always wished that this was an option from the factory, just no pano. I'd rather have the insulation. My kids do like it. They like seeing through the pano roof. Um, and now that I've installed this once, I think it would be easier to install again. I much prefer this one. I'm really surprised to say that. But EVBase, thanks for sending this out to me. And my viewers, you can pick which one you'd prefer. I think if you were removing it frequently and reinstalling it frequently, the Vion makes that a little bit easier. Those clips tend to fall off the sides. But having two smaller pieces rather than the one big piece does make that easier, and it's magnetic in the middle, so I didn't really get light through. But this just looks sort of cleaner to me. I prefer it. The third row for both is very similar, but I actually found it easier to install the third row for the EVBase one. But definitely this main chunk, the Vion one, was easier. But I think this is a better, cleaner fit for the EVBase one. I think the EVBase one is a little more reflective, and this is going to do a better job keeping out that heat and almost sort of sealing around the edge of the glass. That's pretty cool. Go ahead, use that code, that link that I'm going to pop down below in the description, and I'm sure it pops up somewhere in this video as well. If you want to use my code and save yourself a little bit of money off of the EVBase headliner, which comes with the second and third row, or the main glass and the third row from EVBase. Yeah, I think it looks a lot cleaner. So if you're intending to leave it up there sort of generally for the summertime, we're probably right to that time period now where I'm going to be leaving this up. Yeah, so thank you so much, EVBase, and thank you guys for watching these videos. It encourages me to keep making videos for you guys. So again, I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you again next time. I'll see you again next time. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm Bruce Nolan. Yep, that's my favorite one.